I speak very little Dutch, so I try to
I understand
talk from.
English perfect.
Oh.
There will be no court session unless you made an agreement and we're going to sign that.
Yes, however, I had the request before the trial starts. I
No
said
trial starts today.
no trial.
No, because you reached an agreement.
That is correct, but there is one aspect that you should be aware of. Before we reach the settlement, I agreed to this settlement because I didn't think the case would be favorable for me, but that depends on the context in which the case is analyzed. I sent an email to the court during the weekend. Yes, and I requested, if possible, that the case is analyzed in the context in which my actions took place, which addressed counts of aggravated defamation that were committed against me in the.
I'm not going to reach a verdict in any way on it. We just sign an agreement if you sign, and there will be no session.
There will be no session, but if
Okay.
if the case can be analyzed in the context in which the actions took place, I'm willing to drop the settlement, but only in that scenario.
Okay.
And that's why I want to know if you're willing to analyze the case in that context in which my actions were justified to
If I had
address.
a court session, I would do that. Analyze it in the way you put it.
But the settlement was not signed yet, right?
No.
So it's still possible in theory to go to court.
Yeah.
And that's my.
Nee, dat gaan we doen.
So that is my question. If you can confirm that you are aware of the counts of aggravated defamation that they committed against me, and you are
I'm aware of that.
You are aware
about your statements.
No, not about my statements, but about the evidence, about the actual actions.
I saw the evidence you sent in.
No, not my evidence, not what I sent to you, but if you are aware of the posts that they made on the internet on other websites that I did not provide. I did not provide screenshots of that, but because the content went viral, I have reasons to believe that people from the court, potentially including you as well, would be aware of it. And I want to know if, one, if you're aware of their posts on the internet that went viral, and two, if you're willing to analyze the case in the context of these posts.
I'm willing to analyze the case, but I'm not reaching a verdict. If you want that, then we have a case hearing, and then you have a risk of losing the case and potentially pay the settlement.
There is a risk, of course, but I'm willing to take the risk only if you can confirm that you've seen the defamatory posts that they've posted.
I saw it. I can confirm.
Waar het cliënt vooral om te doen is, tenminste dat begreep ik net, want voor mij was het ook, ik krijg dit ook net mee, ik kwam ook binnen met de gedachte, we gaan een PV ondertekenen.
Ja.
Maar wat mijn cliënt mij voorhield, was dat er een video kennelijk viraal is gegaan. Ik ken de inhoud van die video niet en van wat ik nu begrijp probeert de cliënt u te vragen of u kennis hebt genomen van die virale video die ergens op het internet rondsloot.
Ik heb hem niet gezien, maar ik heb u niet.
Was al een
zou nog wel lelijk in formulieren zijn.
I'm asking if the judge saw the video.
Which video?
The viral video, what you're talking about.
Video? No, but I'm not talking about a video.
No, that's a statement on the internet.
No, it's on Facebook. So there's a Facebook group that I do not have access to, and I did not provide any evidence of it. So you didn't see that from me. And I want to know if you have seen the posts that they have made on Facebook, which I.
Who is they?
So the two building managers, one of whom Bert is here, and
we don't run a Facebook site.
Yes, they said that they didn't do it, but I have reasons to believe that they did, and I want to.
Maar heeft u hem gezien? Nee, maar heeft u een Facebookpagina?
Ik ken zijn Facebookpagina's. Hij heeft twee Facebookpagina's.
Ja, maar hij zegt dat het een Facebookpagina, maar ik kijk geen andere. Waarop hij
I want to know if you're aware of the post that they've made on Facebook.
Everybody tells me that they are not aware of it, so how can I didn't see it then.
Okay, So you cannot analyze, if you didn't see it, then you cannot analyze the
Not
case in
if
that
it
context.
is a recent post, I didn't see it now.
Okay. What about older posts? Or you didn't see at all?
I saw everything I got on in the
So only what I've sent you
yeah, and what they said.
and what they sent me. But the things that you sent to the judge, you sent to me as well, right? Yeah. Okay. No, in that case, in that context, I cannot go on with. I prefer the settlement because I know that if the case is analyzed in this scenario in which the posts are not acknowledged, I know I cannot win the case.
Okay.
So because my actions are only justified in the context of the counts of aggravated defamation.
So you will sign the settlement now?
In that context, yes.
Okay.